Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use app.pixverse.ai. So first of all, you can visit this website and then you can sign into this website with your Google account. Then you will get 60 credits for free for your daily credits. Okay, and I'm going to create cartoon animation video. Okay, and here guys, you can add the description. You can add you can describe the content that you want to create, and you can also add photo or upload photo as the reference, but I'm just going to use the prompt I have just created with ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompt here, and before you create the video, you can choose the duration and also the aspect ratio. Okay, and once you're done setting your video, you can click on generate. It needs 20 credits. Okay, but don't worry because you will get daily credits for free guys. If you cannot generate your video today, you can try again tomorrow with new credits. And now the video is being generated, and these are the previous videos I have generated with AI. Okay, and this is the result. The cartoon animation has been created. And if you want to create long video, I recommend you to create the video scene by scene. For the prompt, you can ask ChatGPT to create you scene by scene. And if you want to download it, just click on this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.